It's really hard knowing what to pick when bok chin. I think I had that the other day. It was fried flour and I wasn't too keen on it. Yeah, so I know what that is now. Bok chin. Yeah, we're just about to say it's hard if you've not got Google Translate, and obviously I've no data, so it doesn't work. I wonder if you can download it so it works offline. I think you can, you know. I'll have to look into that tomorrow. Flour, yeah. It's the same stuff I had yesterday. It's just a flour mixture and they fry it up to make it taste good. I ate it all, it was edible, but I wouldn't have it again. I'd rather have some real meat. I'm always too scared to try that stuff. I love seafood, but you know, all this shellfish, it all seems too complicated to me. You know, try and pick it out of the shell, things like that. I'd rather just eat something that everything on the plate is edible. I don't have to mess about with it. I'm probably missing out there. I should try shellfish. What shall I try? Probably something off this menu here. It's either this one or that one. I don't know what to try. This place is busy. That's always a good sign. I think I know what that is. I think that means egg. Bumbo diadu. I'm trying to learn Vietnamese. I've not a clue. Speak English? No. I'm just going to order something random. Not a clue what I'm ordering. I'll just pick it. Yeah, I'm one of them. The bottom one. What's this? What's that one? You speak English, no?
But I don't know about
vocabulary
in food.
Is that what type of animal?
Beef.
What?
Beef.
Beef. Okay.
Beef.
Yeah, that'll do.
And
egg. Is that egg?
Beef.
Is that an egg? No. What's Geo here? Is it not egg? No.
No egg.
Oh right.
This is a beach. Okay, then I type for you.
I've no data on my phone, so I can't translate.
I don't know much about vocabulary in food.
Oh right. What would you recommend on there? What's your favourite?
My favourite is
That's your favourite?
It's a full đầy đủ rồi. The meaning is a full.
Full?
Full of the food.
Okay, I'll order that then.
Yeah. This
is that beef as well?
Yes.
Okay, I'll order that. Beef noodle soup. Okay. So yes. What's the Geo? Pork leg.
Pork leg. Pork. Yes.
It's only an extra 5,000 for some pork. Go on, I'll go for that one. Bun bo dio do.
That's meaning full of.
It means full up. Full beef noodle soup.
Yeah.
Yeah. Try that. Could you let her know? Does she speak English?
Just a little.
Oh, could you let her know what I want?
This is my favorite.
Your favourite?
Yes.
Right, okay.
This is a nice market. Food market.
Yeah, looks good. Yeah. I think that's what I'll order then. Bun bo dai do. How'd you say that? Bun bo dai do?
Bún bò đầy đủ.
Bun bo dai do?
Yes.
Bun bo dai do?
Yes.
Okay.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, I'll eat in. Yeah, one.
Bún bò đầy đủ.
Okay.
One, no.
Thank you, thank you. Bun bo dai do. Remember that. Bun bo dai do. Bun bo dai do. Right, so I've ordered beef noodle soup. Full beef noodle soup. And it's about £1.40, I think, if I remember rightly. Right, here's what we've got. And that. So, try the chopsticks. Give this a go. Oh, it's boiling hot. Yeah, 45,000 for that. It's like just over a pound. Oh yeah.
Chị nước mía hay rau má hả chị? Không, có nước mía không? Không, đây là cô lấy tiền này nè.
Looks like it's got beef and pork leg, so she might have given me the big one. No, that's not pork leg. That's like sausage meat or something. Well, there is proper beef there. I'm not too sure. Am I supposed to put them in the soup, or are you supposed to just eat it? I don't know. No, I think I'll put it in the soup. Yeah, I got bean sprouts there as well. Maybe that's what the full soup means. What is that? Making a right mess here. I've got to pretend I know what I'm doing. I've no idea. Definitely going to put some chilli on it in a minute. Ooh, we've got chilli there as well. Put a little bit of that on it. These chilies are ridiculously hot. They're hotter than Thai chilies. Yeah, I can handle Thai chili, no problem. These are boiling these. So that's like a pork sausage. I'm going to be full up after this. I'm supposed to be going to a food market. think that was a bit of intestines or something. Like, let's see here. I think it's cow stomach. Yeah, it must be. It's got the right texture. It tastes nice though. Not complaining. Tastes good. Right. A little bit of this chilli. I think that's enough. And that's going to be just hot enough, that. I don't know if I'm supposed to put them greens in there, but I'm not too sure about this green stuff. Ooh. Oh my god. They do like the leaves. Not these leaves here. It's like, it's not mint, but it's a bit like mint. Strange flavour. A bit of lime in it. Yeah, I tried it the other day and it was alright. I don't love it. It was just alright. It's a strange flavour. I need to find out what these leaves are. A bit like aniseed or something like that. Very strong flavour. It's not unpleasant, it's just unusual. Come on, with chopsticks. Come on, you know what you're doing. Right, I'll do my best to finish this, and then try and find my way to that market. Oh god! Nearly knocked it flying then. Oh, I was going to leave some, but it's friggin' delicious. Is it customary to just drink it? So good. Ooh, I could eat this every day. Pretty healthy as well. Ooh.